What's up guys, welcome to today's video where I'm going to show you how you guys can create a little side hustle to build up some capital to fund your passion, whether it's Amazon FBA, whether it's your own clothing line, or whatever business you want to start. This is going to help you guys build up some money so that you guys can invest that money into your future business. Or on the flip side, you may just want some extra money. You already have a job, but you want some extra money to go out on the weekend or to travel. You want to build a side hustle. Then this is going to be the perfect video because I'm going to show you how you guys can make $100 every single day in a matter of 20 minutes, okay? So I'm going to show you proof that this actually works. I just did it and I'm going to show you guys how it works right now. So let's dive into my phone and I'm going to do a quick screen sharing to show you guys the whole process and how it works. So right here, basically what I did was I went on different marketplaces. So you have Facebook Marketplace, you have LetGo, which is an app where people sell used items, and same with OfferUp, and you have Craigslist as well. So you have 4 different sources of going and finding different items to then flip for a higher profit, okay? So let me explain. So right here, I found this ad, this listing, and it's a Canon 60D DSLR body-only camera, okay? So he's asking 250 bucks. So as soon as I see this ad, I go to eBay and I basically search that exact same product, Canon 60D body-only camera, okay? So I search it and I go to filter and I make sure that I come to sold items, okay? So that basically makes it so that you know that these items are actually selling for that price, okay? So right here, a Canon EOS 60D DSLR camera, body, charger, battery, and strap for 273 bucks plus $32 shipping, okay? So this guy is asking $250, and right here today's October 5th, this guy sold it for 273 bucks plus $32 shipping. And then if you go down in the same exact day, so it's October 5th, he sold it for $255 for $18 shipping, okay? So same one yesterday, $285 free shipping, $275 plus $20 shipping, and I knew that if I could get him to come down to $200 or even $175, that I could make an easy 50 to 75 bucks, okay? So that's what I did, is I saw that where the pricing was, he's asking $250, which is a reasonable price, but I came in and this is basically what I said to him. Would you accept $175 cash? I can come pick it up right now or whenever is convenient for you. And he said, I'd do $200 but can't go lower than that. So now that I know that these cameras are selling for $275 every single day plus shipping, I know that I can make at least $75 profit. So at $200, that's not bad. With me messaging him, and a couple minutes he responds and he says, I'll take 200. So I said, I could make that work. When would be a good time to come get it? And he said, great, I work on the corner of this street and I will be at my office until 4 p.m. if you want to come by sometime. And I said, that's perfect. I'm like 10 minutes away from there. When is a convenient time for you to not interrupt? So basically I asked him and he said this time. I went and I picked it up, and the best thing about it was it's literally a couple minutes away from my gym. So I went and picked it up. On my way home, I stopped at the gym. I killed 2 birds with 1 stone, and in that amount of time, I picked up a camera. It took me 5 minutes to message him. It took me an extra 5 minutes out of the way from my gym to go get the camera. I came home, I took some pictures, so as you guys can see, these are the pictures that I took. It literally took me 5 minutes to take some quick pictures, and then I listed it on eBay and on Amazon, and within a couple days I sold it for $100 profit. So as you guys saw on eBay, they were selling for $275 plus shipping, but I listed it on Amazon and I sold it for a little bit more. So as you guys can see right here, this is today, October 5th at 8 a.m. this morning, 7:58 to be exact. The item subtotal was $325. So after Amazon fees and after shipping the product, I made an easy $90 in a matter of 20 minutes. So if I did that every single day, that's almost like $3 grand every single month in side hustle money with very minimal upfront work and cost, okay? So I had to invest 250 bucks And then with that $250, in a matter of 2 days, I turned that $250 into $350. So now I can invest a little bit more, and it just builds from there, okay? So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you exactly how that works and what to look for so that you guys get the best deals. So let's go over to what's called the OfferUp app. So as you guys can see right here, you click on OfferUp, and it basically shows you guys a bunch of different listings of people selling their stuff. They're trying to get rid of it. You have cars, you have laptops, you have boots, you have bags, bikes, and you basically can adjust it to your location. So this is a very basically key point, is you want to enter in your location, okay? So I'm going to enter in my location so that I get the best deal possible, because if it's close to me and it only takes me 5 minutes to go pick it up, then it's more worth my time. So I'm going to enter my zip code, I'm going to hit save location, and it's going to pull up all the different deals within that location of a different parameter. So you guys can have it within 5 miles, 20 miles, 30 miles, whatever you guys feel comfortable with, and then you just start scrolling through. So you scroll through, see what catches your attention. So right here you have a Wii. They're asking $40 for the Wii, 2 remotes, and a game, and you're gonna see if there's anything wrong with it. So it says it's smoke and pet free home, just have kids, comes with Mario Tennis and Wii Sports, pickup only. So just like that, I see that, and I'm going to go to eBay, and I'm going to search a Wii bundle and see how much they're selling on eBay. So I search it, and make sure you do the filter and you hit sold items, because you only want items that have been sold so that you guys know that they're actually selling. So right here you have one that sold for $34 plus $20 shipping. It only has 1 remote. You have one here that has a lot more games. It sold for $85. So the profit margin isn't super good there, but if you go and counter offer at $20 and he accepts, and right here you see this same exact listing, it's very similar, but the one that we're looking at comes with 2 remotes and 2 games, and this one only comes with 1 remote, and they sold for $55. So if you go and offer $20, and then you go and you pick it up, and then you sell it for $60, that's an easy $20 profit in a matter of a couple minutes. So that was literally the first item that I looked at, and you can spend some more time trying to find some other deals, and you just basically scroll through, see what catches your attention, and if there's something, you click on it, you copy and paste the title, you search it in eBay, and then you look at the sold items, and if they're being sold constantly every single day, then that shows that they're in demand and people are actually looking to buy that product, and that's a good sign because you are trying to get rid of it and you're going to sell it to them. So that's what you want to look at, and it's super easy, and you just scroll through. And another thing that I do is I don't really necessarily look at the main page because it shows it in chronological order of all the new listings. I go and I search for a specific category and a specific product, which is cameras. So I'm going to search camera, and my price is any, and you can adjust the price to minimum to maximum if you guys have a budget. But I'm just going to scroll through, and I see all these different cameras, and I just scroll through, and since I've done it a few times, I kind of know what to look for, and you guys will kind of get a hang of it as you guys basically get adjusted with basically looking for the different products. So I'm just going to keep scrolling and see what there is, and I found one just the other day. I think it's this one, the Canon 70D, so it's just the body, for $425. I'm going to search on eBay, Canon 70D. I go to filter, sold items, hit done, and you see right there that one just sold for $400 just today, October 5th, plus $23 shipping. So that literally sold it today for plus shipping, so $400. So I go back to this listing, he's asking $425. So that's that's a decent price, and if you go and you offer him 300 and he accepts, that's where you have a killer profit margin. Alright, so now that you guys understand the OfferUp app, where it just shows you guys different deals, let's go over to the LetGo app, kind of show you the same layout. It's literally the same exact thing. So you're going to want to download OfferUp and LetGo so that you guys can source different products from the different platforms, because for whatever reason, people feel comfortable with OfferUp more than they do LetGo, or vice versa. You also have Facebook Marketplace that you can find some other deals as well, so it's very similar. You go to your Facebook app, or you can do this all on a desktop computer as well to save you some time as well. And you can search the marketplace for specific products, certain categories. You can change your location so that you guys can basically maximize your time for the return on your investment. So if you're going to be in a certain area, you can basically show where you're going to be. So if I'm going to be in Midvale for the day, I can say, okay, I'm going to be here for the day. What offers and what listings are available that I can go pick up so that I can kill two birds with one stone. So that's what you're going to want to do, is find deals that are not out of your way, that don't take a lot of time, and that basically get a good return on your investment. So now that you guys kind of understand how that all works, I want to basically go over how you're going to get the best deal with that buyer. So the first thing that you guys are going to want to do is obviously know your profit margin. So for example, with that camera, I knew that $275, I could sell it all day, every day. The guy was asking $250. So if I could get at least $200 or less, I know that it's going to be worth my time. But if he came back and said, okay, I'll accept $240 or $230, that may not be worth my time. And it may be worth your time in your situation, but for me, my time is more valuable than $30. So that's what you're going to want to look at is, okay, what do I have to get in order for it to be worth my time? So for me, it was about $75 profit in a matter of 20 minutes. So I was fine with settling for $200. And if you guys remember my conversation that I had with him, I was very professional, and I said, would you accept $175 cash? I can come get it whenever is convenient for you. So you're respecting the buyer. I am a cash buyer, and I'm ready to buy right now. So if you say that you're cash ready and you can come pick it up, they're more likely to respond better, because a lot of times they want to get rid of it now. They don't want the hassle of having to try to sell it. And if you're ready to buy it, then they're more likely to drop their price. So that's basically what you're going to do, is find these different offers and know your profit margin, know how much is it going to cost, and how much time is it going to take to go and get it. And if the profit margin is good, then offer that amount, and if they come back with a counter offer, you're just going to have to kind of weigh the options and see if it's going to be worth it. But what I recommend is coming in with a lower offer. Don't go too low, because a lot of times they'll say, yeah, no, I'm not interested. But if you come with a lower offer, they counter offer, and sometimes that counter offer is perfect, okay? So that is my biggest tip, is find out what is worth your time and be professional when you are reaching out to these buyers. You don't want to sound scammy. You don't want to sound like you're trying to rip them off. You're just trying to get them to come down in price so that it works for them and it works for you, so it's a win-win for both. So please go through, look at OfferUp, LetGo, Facebook Marketplace, go through the different listings, copy and paste the titles into eBay, and make sure that you hit the sold items so that you guys know when they're selling and how much they are selling for. That is the most important part. And if you guys understand that, it's not really complicated. You just need to go through every single day, find different deals, and be willing to go drive and pick them up and have a couple $100 cash ready to go buy. So it's really quite simple. And then once you do get the products, you guys can list them on, you can even flip them again on the Facebook Marketplace to see if you can get them for a profit locally, so that someone comes and picks them up from you, sell them on OfferUp, LetGo, or what I prefer is Amazon or eBay. So that's what you're going to do. And if you do that, you're going to make a couple $100 every single day and if not, a couple $1,000 every single month if you just are looking every single day for these different deals. So it's super easy money. You just have to be willing to go and hustle and use your thumbs or your fingers to go and find the deals. So take advantage of the different marketplaces and take advantage of it while you can, okay? So if you guys have excuses of, oh, I can't start a business, I don't have any money, you can literally start with $20. And I also have a video where I show you how you can start for free, okay? So don't make any excuses, just get started so that you guys can build your dream business and be financially free and not have to slave the 9-to-5 job. So thank you guys so much for watching, and if you enjoyed, don't forget to leave a thumbs up, leave a comment, and also don't forget to subscribe, because all I talk about is how to make money online. So if you guys are interested in that, make sure to subscribe. So thank you guys so much for watching, and we will see you in the next video.